Hello everyone, this is Antima. I'm a 22 years old. I'm from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my diploma in 2022 from IIT Prayagraj. One day I'm searching a job on naukri.com where I got know about Evision. Evision is the recruitment and IT consulting company. After taking a full knowledge about Evision, I joined Evision job online internship where I got real work exposure and experience and good technology. I have learned a lot. I improved my weakness and confidence. After that, I cracked my interview in first attempt, IDEMIA, with the 2.7 LPA. Thank you so much, Evision.